Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We are going to do a test grind on a Breville. This espresso machine came in with a noisy grinder. We thought it was jammed and maybe we'd have to replace it, but we went ahead and just cleared the obstructions and did a little cleaning and recalibrating, and I think we got it going as good as new. So we're going to start here on course. Oops, here, sorry. As it goes while it's grinding. Let's see. There it is at its finest. Thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.